Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. While we're waiting on my project over here to cure up, let's talk about some of the stuff I like to use. These Kimberly-Clark WypAll brand, they're awesome. They make different sizes. The X50, this is the X60. What makes this awesome is they don't come apart when you're using them to clean. The X50s, when you're actually wiping stuff, will actually start to disintegrate. Now, when I washed one of these in my clothes once. It was in my pocket. Came out like it was brand new, drying everything out of the dryer. So these are big, and they put up with a lot. They withstand a lot. They soak up a lot. They can be used for soaking up blood. They can be used for soaking up water and oil. They are very, very good towels. Like I said, the X60s don't disintegrate when you use them. The X50s, they start to come apart. They're less cotton, I believe. I don't know what they're made out of, but if you have to use any type of towel in your shop, I would recommend using these. I have used the blue towels. Those also come apart. I have used these recycled paper towels over here. They also start coming apart. These, I have never had an issue where they would start to disintegrate when I use them. So I can highly recommend the Kimberly-Clark WypAlls. I'll put them in a description link down below in the description. They're not cheap. It's about $100 for, I think, 10 boxes, 12 boxes. It's a case. You get a case of them. I think it's 10 boxes. And they last a long time because there's a whole bunch. So I guess 118 in each one, give or take. Again, they're about, let's see. Almost 17 inches by about 8. It even tells you right there what size they are. Highly recommend them. Half them out.